now this gentleman, hello, is gonna show us how we make cinnamon over here. We will capture the entire process of cinnamon making.
Okay, I'll start. First, welcome to the Madhu Cinnamon Island. This is the biggest island in Madhu River, like a village. Some people living here, but a lot of people work in cinnamon industry. It's a plantation, and behind me you can see there are 3 tanks. 1, 2, 3. That's a cinnamon oil machine. Oil from the dry leaves. Per day work we need dry leaves around 350 kilogram, and output maximum just 3 liter bottle of cinnamon oil. 350 kilogram cinnamon leaves and output just 3 liter bottle of cinnamon oil. I have a little bit cinnamon oil. Little more, you can see. There's a little bit cinnamon oil, but nice strong smell coming. Some kind of made perfume using this cinnamon oil. We can keep a bathroom, room, vehicle, office for fragrance. Nice smell coming. Second, like a balm, we can apply body pain, knee pain, or back pain, headache problem. Good for toothache, this cinnamon oil. Third one, good for body warm after rainy, or if you have some Europe country, you feel cold, sir. Little bit cinnamon oil, rub in your neck for body warm. Feel hot after applying the cinnamon oil. And the original pure cinnamon oil, it is very heavy than other oil. I'll show you. This is the water, and drop oil to water. You can see settle down. But usually normal other oil comes up to water, float. But original cinnamon does go down and doesn't mix. I can separate it. I can remove this old water and back again oil. Welcome drink, sir. Cinnamon drink.
That's the cinnamon drink being offered
No sugar,
over here.
no tea powder, just only cinnamon and hot water. Very healthy drink. Diabetes control, cholesterol control, and good for weight loss, fat burn. Early in the morning you can continue, automatically weight loss. Okay, sir, you can smell cinnamon oil. Little bit cinnamon oil, drop your hand for smell. Only smell. Don't touch your face or nose. Okay, only smell. Okay, sir. This is a cinnamon tray. 2 layers. First, we need to clean it. Second layer cinnamon inner box. Now I'm going to show. It's totally manual work. No machine, only hand work. First, clean it. I'm using this tool for clean it. You know, sir, well, 2 types of cinnamon. First one, cassia. Cassia coming Chinese, Vietnam, Indian cinnamon, because that one very dark color, not clean first layer, very hard to break, very thick one, and a little bit spice. And SriLanka cinnamon totally different. First we clean it. You can see it's a light color and very soft and a little bit sweetness. That's the reason we don't use sugar for tea. We can drink without sugar.
Yung bike ni yun
Iya kira tu.
kung arap tambah berudi isu nawa
Tiba isu?
kung bisu
Eh?
na sistem ni jual di kedua biara
Okay. So outer layer compost we put back in plantation. Move this one. It's a brass for rubbing. It was a little bit tight, the cinnamon layer, and after rubbing it makes it smooth, separate from the wood, the cinnamon bark. And only brass, when I use iron, it becomes black color cinnamon, color change. That's the reason we use only brass only. So alive. Kau perlu ke? Kau perlu lagi marah ready. That's cinnamon, a fresh cinnamon.
That's the fresh cinnamon which you just extracted with the help of a knife. Looks very different. Looks very
So you
clean.
guys make dry and then selling?
Yes, sir.
It smells very sweet.
But
very
only one
fresh.
layer. And after it's burned, firewood.
This one?
Yeah.
They use for this one now? Only
Burned
firewood?
firewood, yeah.
No smell cinnamon?
Because the smell coming because it's fresh one.
Uh-huh.
That's the reason the cinnamon
But the wood
expensive.
is strong, eh?
Yes,
No?
it's
Cinnamon trees not waste anything, right?
Yes, sir.
This leaves, this stick, everything can use. No wastage.
So this is for burn only.
And some companies that are making cinnamon toothpick made from this wood. Tooth, but we live here, so
And
burn fire.
but if you burn this one, the raw one, you will get smoke also, yes?
Yes, but
For the cooking.
yes,
Yeah.
and good for
Like apple wood, this
yeah,
cinnamon wood, yes?
wood pizza and some
But it
fried.
is dry.
It's a nice.
No, if you put in the dry and you put this one raw,
No, we'll
like,
keep it in the outside in the dry.
no,
in the
madam,
sun.
when you